Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set or apply tax on specific product in Wix store. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix dashboard and we are in setting. Now go to cart page. So we are in cart page. Now you see we have two product and then you see tax 0. So we are going to set specific tax for specific product. Now go to setting again and then you see tax. So click on it. So we are going to assign tax for specific product. By default, there is one tax group that assigned to all product. If we assign tax directly, then that tax apply on all product. So that's why we are going to create custom tax group. Now scroll down. Now you see tax setting. Enable this option. Tax should be added at checkout or cart page. Tax group optional. So we are going to create it and then we are going to assign this tax group to product. Now click on it. Now you see pop up, add a new group. So you can add group name. So we added name specific tax on product. Now click on add. So you can add VAT also. Just rename it. Now add it. Now you see. And then you see group name specific tax on product. You see 0 product. So we are going to assign tax on specific product. So we are going to assign product also. Now you see add product. Now click on it. Again you see pop up. So we are going to add tax on this specific product, organic product. Now you see and then click on save. Now you see product added in this group. Now scroll up, you see add location. So we are going to add location. So you can select USA, UK, United States of America, United Kingdom, any other Europe country. But our region is Pakistan. So we are going to select Pakistan and then you see add location. So click on it. Now you see pop up, select country. So we are going to write Pakistan. Now select and then click on add. So we are in tax Pakistan. Now you see product default group. So we assign one product in our new custom tax group. We have 13 product and other 12 product are in default group. So we don't want to assign any tax on other product. So make it 0. And then you see service, cancellation, shipping and delivery. Make it 0 again. So this is our custom tax group. We assign one product in it. So we are going to charge 10% for this. If you want to add name, so you can enable this option and then you can set rate name. Now you see. So it's up to you and then click on save. Now you see Pakistan was saved. So you can add more countries. Now you see add location, select country and then click on add. So it's up to you. Now go to cart page. Now you see Pakistan and refresh the page. Now you see we have organic product 1, tax $2. If we remove this product, again you see $2. Now increase quantity. Now you see $4 because we assign 10% for this product. So you can add tax according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.